Hello, hello. I received my Bella box from Kimberbell and I'm so excited. So this is for machine embroidery creatives and I'm so excited. So I went through it all. I could not help myself, but I'm glad I did because I learned a couple of things while I was doing that. Okay, so let me scoot this aside and then bring out things like kind of one by one. Just a second. I have stuff everywhere. I should have gathered it. No, I think it's okay. Okay, so if you order this Bella box, it's available on Amazon or through Kimberbell. It is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Just a second. So these are the different projects. It comes with 6 projects that you can complete from beginning to end. It comes with all the supplies to create 6 different embroidery projects. And what I've learned through opening the box and feeling like I was missing some stuff in my box, which actually wasn't missing because you actually sew them, is you get to use your embroidery machine and your sewing machine. And pardon my hands, I just came from my stamping desk, my card making desk. I was making a card and then this arrived and I stopped everything and had to dive right in. So, okay, so this is the Bella box. Again, it has 6 sewing and embroidery projects inside. It has all the embroidery designs on a USB drive. It has all the blanks to create these goodies. It comes with, you know, buttons, vinyl, felt, I mean, just everything. It's just so cute. So I wanted to show you what it has in it. Let me just go ahead and then this is your cut list on how you cut all the materials that are included in the box. And this is all the different projects. They're inviting you to some events. And then this is what all is included in the box. So I'm just gonna put that aside. And then look at how cute this is. So this is, I realized the zipper is for the planner folio that comes in it. And it's so cute because I'm also a planner, so it's so perfect. But this is a beautiful kind of eyelet design zipper. And then it comes with these lapel pins, some magnets. It comes with some washi tape for the planner folio, which I'm getting to. Some button embellishments. It comes with these beautiful gel pens. I gotta show you the tips on these because they're really cute. It comes with satin ribbon, more embellishment. These embellishments, I'm not sure exactly what they're for, but I'm excited to find out what project they're for, because this reminds me of shaker card. Shaker card embellishments. So anyway, these pens has this great tip on it. This is a gel pen, but it has like this fancy crystal looking tip on it. It's so pretty. This is so pretty, and this is for the planner folio. Here's the gold one. It's just really, really, really pretty. See how it like sparkles? Okay, so that's that. Cute little embellishment box that you can use for storage. So that's cute. And then it comes with this clear blue tile. This is a tool for quilting. This is also going to be used on the planner folio, but we'll go through that all later. But this is a tool. And then this, look at how cute they did this. This is the USB drive with all the embroidery designs. And I'm assuming in here is also some instructions, like specific instructions. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm assuming it has some instructions there, but this is cute. And then I opened this already. These are the ombre tea towel blanks. And so they look like this. And what I'm excited about is this aqua one. This is how you make the tote bag project that they have in here. So I was expecting to receive a tote bag blank, but was excited to learn that you actually learn to make the tote bag out of this tea towel blank. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun. I love this ombre tea towel. I mean, it's just so cute, and the orange is perfect also. And then you also get these quilter's cotton squares. Look at all these beautiful designs. They're so pretty. So this is great for applique and lots of projects that are included in the Bella box. And I love this blank too. This is a quilted pillow blank. And it looks like that. You can embroider home with all those beautiful leaves. This is actually applique. So that is really, really, really pretty. Sorry for all the glare. I think I'll want to buy some more of these blanks because this is a beautiful pillow blank to embroider on. And then for the planner folio, it comes with these very cute stickers. They're clear stickers, and I love all the sentiments. This is just perfect. And then speaking of folio, so this is the folio. I kind of jumbled it together, but it requires some sewing and stuff. So the USB drives go in here. Those 2 gel pens will go in here. You know, markers, whatever. It comes with this beautiful journal. Make It Happen is in metallic, and it's a dot grid journal, which is perfect for your sewing and embroidery projects. This is not a bookmark. I just stuck this in there like that. This, I believe this actually gets sewn right here. So it's all open so that you can do your embroidery designs. Like if you have a flatbed embroidery machine, then you can get all your machine embroidery down like on the right side, and then you can sew it up. So I think that's brilliant. So there's like, this is going to end up being a pocket. I believe for this journal, I believe you slip the journal in this way, but it's open right now. That way you can embroider all over here. You can embroider on this flap here. So I think that is just such a great idea. And then it came with this too, and I'm assuming that this is just a rigid writing pad, kind of like a clipboard, but without the clip. So I'm assuming that's what this is, but I'm sure I'll find out more. And then that beautiful zipper that is here, that zipper actually goes right here. The instructions will have you sew a clear zippered pocket right here, and that zipper just goes right down here. So that's going to be fun. So this is still going to flip out. This is not going to be sewn closed. This is going to flip out. It'll have an additional pocket there. So that is going to be some fun. And what I love too is I could use this now, since it's all open and not sewn together, I can use this as a template to make more. So I think that'll be really cute. Does it go like that or like this? I guess like this. Okay. So this is the planner folio. So I'll go ahead and I'll stick these stickers in here just so that it's all together. And then it comes with, this is an embellishment materials for the applique. This is for the banner that you can make. This is the felt for the, oh no, this is the felt for the banner. Looks the same. Yeah, buttermilk. So it looks the same. I guess you use this for another project they have in here. But it has vinyl pieces, some other felt colors, some metallic vinyl pieces. This is, I'm not sure what this is used for, but I'm really curious because it's like a pearlescent film. Really pretty. Oh, you can see it on that white, really good. And then this is for that pocket in the planner folio. This is just a clear vinyl, but it has a little bit of an aqua tint to it. It's really pretty. So these are all your embellishments. Comes with all of that. And then it comes with this beautiful tape dispenser. It's a paper tape dispenser for embroidery. And where is the tape? So it comes with this tape for embroidery to tape down your material securely. And then it also comes with a dispenser, which is really cute. And then there's this enamel pen. It says created to create. That is just so cute. So I'm gonna put this on my denim jacket. So that's very cute. And then some more designs, some 6 bonus designs, embroidery designs. So that's fun. And I think that's it. Let me just look around and make sure. Yeah, that's it. So there's a lot in this box. I really encourage it for those of you who like machine embroidery. And I just want to add that there are sewing projects in here too. So I was excited about that. You get to bring out both of your machines. So anyway, just wanted to run through this unboxing and share the joy of receiving this. I love it. It was a Christmas gift from my mommy. So thank you so much, Mom. I love everything, and I can't wait to get excited to start on these projects and see how they come out. So happy. Thank you. All right, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.